Hi, and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to look at setting up a Udemy account. The first thing that you ought to do, not only before you start creating your own lectures and courses, but before you start buying courses. In fact, you have to before you start buying. So here we are at the main Udemy website. We're at www.udemy.com, and that is Udemy. So this is what it shows you, a rather blah screen. In fact, I think it's a pretty terrible landing page. I might need to get in touch with them and chew their ear about this. So the first thing you do is, since you don't have a login, is that you sign up. Here you have the option of adding an email or signing up using your Facebook or your Google stuff. I'm going to add an email. And I'm going to add it for my wife because I already have one. And I'm going to hope like crazy that this sends me through the standard prompts so that I can show you how to create an account. So we're going to go to, by the way, if you have interest in books, you ought to check out my wife's books. So MJ Jackson, or go ahead and send her an email and say, hi, I took Brian's Udemy course. I just wanted to say hi to you, Melanie. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll do sign up with this new email. And what it's going to ask you for is your full name. Okay, this is Melanie Jackson. And then we're going to have a password, which I'm not going to tell you. And we're going to sign up. It's thinking, and there we are. Now, this is the old familiar screen that we're really familiar with, or at least I am, and that's where it shows you all the courses that are available, and it shows you the browse courses. Hopefully, you've been to the Udemy site and you've browsed around, maybe even created your own account by now. If not, take a look around, see what we have to learn. I learned everything that I'm telling you right now about how to produce Udemy courses and stuff by taking Udemy courses. So all of this information exists in various courses. Well, not all of it. Some of it is mine, but most of it is a regurgitation of things that I've learned from the main Udemy course and from various other, just playing with the tools and learning it for myself and turning it into my own process. That's what you've got to do, is turn this into your own process. Now, you've created a Udemy course. The next thing that we're going to look at, or somewhere down the road, I'm not sure where the lecture is how to submit yourself as a lecturer or as a teacher, or how to become a Udemy lecturer. And we'll look at that later on.